Office vocabulary.
Office vocabulary.
Briefcase.
Briefcase.
Filing cabinet.
Filing cabinet.
Desk.
Desk.
Chair.
Chair.
Bulletin board.
Bulletin board.
Rubber stamp.
Rubber stamp.
Ink pad.
Ink pad.
Clipboard.
Clipboard.
Laptop.
Laptop.
Mouse.
Mouse.
Projector.
Projector.
Printer.
Printer.
Binder.
Binder.
Planner.
Planner.
Notebook.
Notebook.
File folder.
File folder.
Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Mousepad.
Mousepad.
Photocopier.
Photocopier.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Pen.
Pen.
Fountain pen.
Fountain pen.
Fax machine.
Fax machine.
Whiteboard.
Whiteboard.
Marker.
Marker.
Business card.
Business card.
Eraser.
Eraser.
Pencil sharpener.
Pencil sharpener.
Highlighter.
Highlighter.
Stapler.
Stapler.
Staples.
Staples.
Sticky notes.
Sticky notes.
Tape dispenser.
Tape dispenser.
Pen holder.
Pen holder.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Envelope.
Envelope.
File holder.
File holder.
Pushpin.
Pushpin.
Calculator.
Calculator.
Rubber bands.
Rubber bands.
Clock.
Clock.
Safe.
Safe.
Index card.
Index card.
Ruler.
ruler,
White out.
whiteout,
Notepad.
notepad,
Legal pad.
legal pad,
Glue stick.
glue stick,
Thumbtack.
thumbtack,
Staple remover.
staple remover,
Binder clip.
binder clip,
Stack of documents.
stack of documents,
Pile of paper.
pile of paper,
Packing tape.
packing tape,
Carbon paper.
carbon paper,
Crumpled paper.
crumpled paper,
Desk lamp.
desk lamp,
Office stool.
office stool,
Office name tag.
office name tag,
Conference table.
conference table,
Office tray.
office tray,
Paper clip.
paper clip,
Meeting room.
meeting room,
Telephone.
telephone,
Calendar.
calendar,
Wastebasket.
wastebasket,
Monitor.
monitor,
Paper shredder.
paper shredder,
Manager. A person who oversees a team and makes decisions. Supervisor. Someone who monitors employees and ensures tasks are completed. Employee. A person who works for a company. Intern. A trainee who gains experience in a company. CEO. The highest ranking executive in a company. CFO. The executive in charge of financial matters. HR. The department that manages hiring, training, and employee relations. Receptionist. A person who greets visitors and answers calls. Secretary. Someone who assists with administrative tasks. Assistant. A person who helps a manager or executive with tasks. Accountant. A person who handles financial records and taxes. Consultant. An expert hired to give professional advice. Freelancer. A person who works independently for different companies. Client. A person or company that buys services from a business. Vendor. A person or company that sells products or services. Team leader. Someone in charge of guiding a group of employees. Technician. A person skilled in maintaining or fixing equipment. Analyst. A professional who examines data to help make decisions. Executive. A high-level employee responsible for business decisions. Co-worker. A person who works with you in the same company or team. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our content, subscribe to our channel for more English vocabulary.